What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Neophone is introduced second version of the series in the Shanghai, China. The Neophone 2 looks very similar to the original, both in design and its pretty high-end specifications. The main attraction of the Neophone 2 is going to be the deep integration between the phone and the company's impressive roster of the EVs, just like the original Neophone. The Neophone 2 has a dedicated button on the left side of the frame to control connected car functions. The long press action on that button can be customized to the phone action of your choice. The Neophone 2 also naturally acts like a car key. The system incorporated UWB and Bluetooth for supported cars. Plus UWB should make it easier to find your car, which is on the top of other convenient features like the ability to record car location and parking space number once parked automatically. There is NFC key support as well. Neolink is another neat feature that allows you to interact with your phone through the car's information system. Support has been expanded to include more phone apps, including the gallery, file browse, various office apps, and chat clients. The Neophone 2 features LTPO touchscreen Ultra HDR display with a Samsung E7 OLED panel and a large 6.82 inches screen size. This is the big display than other normal phones. 2K resolution and smooth refresh rate is 120Hz. It offers 1440Hz PWM dimming support between 0 and 800 nits with a peak brightness of 2600 nits. The smartphone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is the flagship chipset and with support of powerful octa-core CPU and Adreno 750 GPU. The Neophone 2 also includes the Gun U cooling system to manage heat during demanding tasks. Neo claims the phone maintains a surface temperature of 40 centigrade while running. The phone has a 12 and 16 GB of RAM and the storage is 512 GB and 1 TB. The camera system includes a 48 megapixel main sensor and a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens that completes 3 camera system on the back. There is a big 5020 mAh battery and supports 80 watt wire charging and 50 watt wireless charging. One of the most interesting features of the Neophone 2 is its software. It runs a customized version of Android that Neo claims has zero system apps and zero commercial pre-installed apps. Additionally, the Neophone 2 introduces Nomi GPT, a suite of AI features built around Neo's self-developed multi-modal perception, cognitive center, emotion engine, and multi-expert agent. This includes a large model encyclopedia, AI-powered chat experiences like question and answers and scene generation. Now take a quick look price. The base model with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage price is $896. The mid-range option with 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage price is $951, and the top version EP edition with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage price is $1034. Neo is also offering a 500 yuan voucher towards the purchase of the new model for first generation Neophone users. That's all for now and thanks for watching.